Welcome to GMS Success Professional LLP. Global Management Studies now accredited by the IMASA as the official learning partner institute, making it one of the premier institutes in Mumbai to receive this prestigious status, assuring the highest quality of education. This distinguished accreditation is awarded only to the institute which offer evidence of continuous improvement, high pass rate at examination, and overall quality standards certified by the individual auditor. Welcome to GMS Professional LLP. We offer various international professional credential courses. At GMS Success, you experience the most proven high caliber panel of the lecturers who are highly competent and experienced. These eminent professionals have several years of experience giving students maximum exposure and the right mix of the elements to be successful at examination in addition to their enthusiasm. We, GMS Success, foster an open student-faculty relationship enabling students to approach every lecturer for additional support. We provide students with extra question practice classes to ensure thorough knowledge of the subject and examples. What is our culture? We strongly believe that the students learn best when they are relaxed. We provide fully air conditions, comfortable classrooms, fully equipped computer room, and a student-friendly environment. We offer a counseling seminar facility which gives you career guidance and to a path to our personal success. We offer we services? Which services we are offering? We offer international professional courses that we mention afterwards, corporate training, maybe small scale industry, middle scale, large scale also, multinational also, international organization also. Management seminars, workshop on various topics, maybe human resource, maybe taxation, maybe immunity trainings, maybe working capital finance, maybe career counseling also. Job opportunities also available in India and overseas. We have different clients. We have type. We have partnerships in India, out of India. So our students are getting within a 1 month. We are providing a job. It is not job placement. We provide free of cost service for each and every student. We offer only international professional credential courses, not Indian courses. Only international courses. CPA USA, CI USA, CMA USA, ACCA UK, CIMA, FRM, CPA, COSO, IFS. Certified Public Accountant, CPA USA is a prominent, is a royal professional credentials worldwide, number one highest pay package. You can think about this. A certified public accountant CPA is the highest standard of competence in the field of accountancy across the global. The US CPA exam is administered by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountant AICPA, which is the world's largest accounting body. How to become CPA? To become CPA in the United States, the candidate must sit for and pass the 4 papers are there, and before that you have to approach this NASBA for this. One more international course is Certified Internal Auditor CI, and specifically those who are working in internal audit, those who are aspirant for the internal audit, and those who are interested in audit field, they can do. Minimum graduations are required. Even engineers are also doing this CI course. Certified Management Accounting CMA course is a management accounting credentials. It's the second highest pay packet in the world. I can advise you after graduation, you are doing graduation, maybe your first year, your second year of graduation, you can approach, you can start learning certified management accounting, and within a 1 year to 1.5 years you can complete the course. You can get the job also immediately after 1 or 2 months in India, out of India. ACCA is a UK professional. It is just your chartered accountant of UK. The members not only gain the technical knowledge in accounting and finance, but also gain the valuable skill in organizational and strategic management. This combination of technical and management skills increases the career prospect of the member. ACCA is a globally recognized accounting qualification that provides a strong foundation to students and the professional for career in accounting, tax consulting, auditing, business valuation, treasury management. The student who completed a 10th standard, they are also eligible. The student who completed 12th standard HSC, they are also eligible for this. There are some few exemptions also there. For those who are graduate BCom, they get exempted from the foundation papers. Those who are IPCC, CA, Inter, they will exempt on 6 to 7, 8 papers. Those who are chartered accountant, cost accountant, and MCom, engineer, they will exempted almost for the first out of 13 papers. 9 papers are exempted. They passed. The exemption fee has to pay. So this is a very good course for the student, those who are thinking to a career in accounting, auditing, and taxation. One more important course, similar as the CMA, is the CIMA, Chartered Institute of Management Accountant from UK. CIMA is a tailored professional course which gives the student the base of both the world of the finance and business management, providing a practical insight through the real-time case study approach. CIMA is the world's largest professional body of the management accountant, offering the most relevant accounting qualification for the career in business. Even after 10th or 12th, you can join CIMA. Another popular course, challenging course for the Indian students, those who are in graduations, it's called Financial Risk Manager. You can become the Financial Risk Manager. In every organization there is a demand for this qualification. You will get the highest and immediate job availability is there. Two groups are there. You have to complete 2 levels and pass, and then within 1 month you can get the job. And in India and overseas, the high demand is for the FRM. FRM designation puts the risk manager ahead of their peer, giving them a vast advantage when applying for the risk management position. Since the FRM is one of the most typical financial designation to obtain, it makes certified risk manager stand out to hiring managers. FRM is a professional designation issued by the Global Association of Risk Professionals, GARP. Very interesting course, you must think of. Another is CPA Canada, like same as the CPA USA, but CPA Canada have the restrictions. You can go in Canada only, Australia and Japan, the restricted country, but very useful, very laboratory course. Another credentials for certification is COSO, that is started by the Committee of Sponsoring Organization of the Trade Commission. You can develop your expertise in designing, implementing, conducting an effective internal control system to help your organization gain operational efficiencies, reduce fraud, make better business decisions, and positively improve the better risk management practices. Think about the COSO is nowadays very demandable for the chartered accountant, cost accountant, company secretary, engineer, those who are interested in companies intercontrol system and audit valuation. They must think about the COSO. Maybe you can complete within 6 months to 8 months. Very demanding course. Every Indian student, graduate student must think about chartered accountant, cost accountant, company secretary, MBA, management professional must think of the IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standard. This is the accounting standard, and maybe within 2022 or 23, as the India become fully IFRS, so you must think about that. There is a huge demand for this certification. IFRS course by the Association of the Chartered Certified Accountant is one of the most appreciated and respectable qualification in the International Financial Reporting Standard across the globe. The diploma course by the ACC is normally demanded by the world corporate sector and is designed to develop your knowledge and understanding of the IFRS. Very important. You can contact on 977-346-4206, yeah, 977-346-3025. Yeah, simply you can write email gmssuccess@gmail.com. Yeah, possibly you can meet our Goregaon office. Thank you very much.